Hello, this is Josh from Advanced Camping, bringing you another video tour. This one of the 2020 Connect 241BHKSE. So this one's going to have the heated underbelly, which gives you warm floors when you turn the heat on. Also gives you 4-season capabilities. It's going to have a lot of cool goodies on it. Can't wait to show you. So we have the power tongue jack in the front, dual propane tanks. We have, it will come with a deep cycle battery. It is solar prepped, should you desire. You'll have a nice big pass-through storage in the front there. And we'll have a nice big lighted power awning on here. And the speakers even light up when you turn the lights on, so pretty cool. It has a new solid step here too, which lives up to its name. It really is quite nice to walk in and out of. The whole trailer doesn't bounce around. Gives you a nice stable platform to go in and out of. And just what you were looking for, there's a little leash latch now in the new 2020s. I know you were looking for that, so they've added that certainly. We have the nice cool aluminum wheels here. Outside kitchen, definitely a must. You have the grill now, the stainless steel Capital grill, and your refrigerator. Little access to water here with the outside shower, and the back here will also have prep for our wireless backup camera. So definitely gonna be loaded up on the outside. And let's take a look at the inside here. Oh, these new ones also have the screenshot, is what they call it, but it automatically closes your screen door for you. It's the little things, right? It's the little things. So kind of cool. Let's take a step in here, and this is going to give us a lot of room, a lot of counter space, really big kitchen counter space. So if you're looking for a lot of room to prep meals, this is going to be fantastic. There's going to be a nice stereo system right here, big sound bar, has a DVD player built in, so if you plug in your television, you'll be able to get the DVD right through there, and it'll go through your sound system here. Also Bluetooths into whatever you may have. So really cool. It's going to be a lot better than the two small, sort of lesser speakers that were in here before. This will fill up the whole trailer in sound, and very nice sound. So that's a nice upgrade as well for 2020. We have central air and heat, of course. Big slide out here can convert into a nice big bed as well. A lot of nice big windows throughout here too. Just love this kitchen counter space. I mean, you have a ton of it in this model. You have the new Norcold 10 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer. So absolutely monstrous amounts of storage for your food and beverage. And you also have that outside refrigerator, remember? And for the bunks here, both bunks will have their own little windows, so each person can see out. There'll be little USB ports and lights for certainly, kids will always have their devices and games and things like that. So also lights, of course, always necessary at night. And we have a nice little pantry in here. Bathroom's going to be nice and spacious. We have our porcelain bowl, foot flush toilets. We're going to have our nice sink with storage underneath. Have a nice medicine cabinet, and then they'll have the new marble surround for the shower. Definitely makes it look classier, absolutely. There's going to be a nice skylight for us taller folk. Give us a little extra room, a little extra headroom, and give us a little bit more natural light in here. And we'll have a power fan on the roof here as well in another skylight. And they also put a skylight right in the kitchen area. KZ is sort of known for that, to give you just a little bit of extra natural light sort of in your main area here. So definitely cool. These are all 95% Amish made. I usually just say Amish made, but there is that 5%. Maybe it's the electronics. But anyway, yeah, very, very high quality. You'll have 5/8" plywood flooring, so that's not going to delaminate like a lot of other trailers. Jayco's is really the only other brand that does that. Most other brands are going to have laminate flooring, which is basically that's how you get soft floors when you look at used ones. The more you walk on a certain area, the softer it gets. So we have a nice big private bedroom here with a nice big bed. We'll have storage, hanging clothes storage on both sides. A little bit of storage up on top there too. And there'll be a little spot for a television over there too if you want to mount a TV in the bedroom. So yeah, very, very nice lightweight trailer, about 5,200 pounds. Great if you're bringing a family with you. There's plenty of room to relax, watch a movie on the big dinette. If it starts raining out, there's plenty of sleeping areas for guests or children. Lots of prep space too, and a nice private bedroom too. So yeah, absolutely a fantastic trailer. I would love to help you on this 241BHKSE. Again, my name is Josh. You can reach me here at 414-281-6330. And for current pricing and stock availability, please check out our website at advancedcamping.com. If you like this video and want to see more, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.